Uber is dropping the 5% discounts on eligible rides that it previously offered members of its Uber One subscription service, according to an email sent out to customers. Starting on their next billing cycle, subscribers will now earn 6% so-called Uber Cash on eligible rides that can be spent on Uber and Uber Eats.
So instead of saving 5% with a discount, subscribers will now get 6% cash back. That is actually an interesting switch up.
Yeah, and it's risky for Uber too, as they're aiming to boost bookings among subscribers, since they launched Uber One that's been really popular due to the discounts.
But what about the competition? Won't people switch to Lyft who still offer 5% off rides?
That's true. Ditching the 5% discount might send Uber users into the arms of Lyft. But Uber isn't just ditching discounts. Other member benefits like the $0 delivery fee and up to 10% off eligible Uber Eats orders aren't going anywhere. So those who signed up for takeout deals can still get a deal.
That's great news. But what about Uber Rewards? How does this fit in?
Well, Uber shut down its free loyalty program, Uber Rewards, last year, which allowed riders to earn points for every dollar spent on rides or deliveries. But with Uber One, they're pursuing customer quality over quantity and trying to cross-pollinate ride hail and delivery within the app.
So by changing from discounts to cashback, Uber can increase profit margins as well as increase customer retention and guarantee future sales.
That's right. And it also gives them a way to track how much customers are spending so they can offer better services.
It sounds like it's going to be really beneficial for them in the long run. That's it for today.